Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you all are fit and fine, and I'm also fine. Welcome to my another video. As you can see, the sky is overcast today. It's cloudy today. It feels like it's going to rain today. By the way, the rain is needed for us because everything around us is getting dry day by day. As you can see, the blossoms of the mango trees are falling off due to a lack of rain. So we need rain. Now you can see I am in our paddy field. The farmers of our village cultivated lots of field here. I know I'm making many mistakes because I'm new here. This is my second blog video in English, so I'm little bit nervous. I want to improve myself to speak English. So I think no more today. Follow for more. Assalamu alaikum.